Welcome to Prestige Mechanical LLC, where your satisfaction isn't just a promise, it's our priority. We are based out of Jackson, Wisconsin. We are a veteran-owned company dedicated to provide top-notch HVAC services day or night. Hi, I'm Jason, one of the founders of Prestige Mechanical. Together with my partner Lau, we bring over 3 decades of combined experience in the HVAC industry. Rooted in values learned from our time in the U.S. Army, we ensure discipline and precision in all of our services. When it comes to installation, we begin with a thorough examination. This ensures that only necessary solutions are recommended, tailored exactly to your needs. Our skilled technicians are equipped to install the highest rated equipment, bringing efficiency and comfort to your space. At Prestige Mechanical, we just don't fix your systems, we aim to enhance their longevity. We provide essential maintenance tips to keep your unit performing optimally between our visits. Ensuring your air is free from allergens and pollutants is crucial. We offer a range of solutions from filter replacements to advanced air purifier systems, helping you and your loved ones breathe easier.
Hello, I am Lau, a co-founder at Prestige Mechanical. Your satisfaction drives everything we do. That's why we're available 24/7, ensuring you're never left in the heat or the cold. We also offer veterans a discount as a token of gratitude for those who have served. Let's talk about our incredible team. With my 12 years and Jason's 27 years in the industry, we've handpicked professionals who share our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. We're excited about our future, especially our plans to introduce more sustainable and energy-efficient technology. Thank you for considering Prestige Mechanical for your HVAC need. We're more than just a company. We're your partner in ensuring a comfortable and safe environment. Contact us today for a free quote and experience the reliable service we're known for.